Hello, welcome back to another lecture. In this lecture, we are going to be learning about the assembly features. The assembly features are features that you apply on the assembly level, but not on the part level. So when you apply the assembly feature, they will only exist in the assembly, but they won't show up on the part level. The assembly features are listed up here, and these are the different features you can apply on the assembly level. For this first example, let's apply a fillet to the bolt. So we'll select fillet. We'll leave the dimension or radius at 0.1. Let's select any of the 4 bolts and apply the fillet to the edge. So I'll apply it to the edge and accept it. Now, as you can see, that fillet only exists on that bolt that I've selected, but it is not being updated on the rest of the bolts, which are the same as this bolt. So even if I click update, rebuild, this bolt is the only one that has the fillet. I can also right click on it to open it. And on the part level, the fillet is not applied on the part level. So let's close this part file. But the fillet exists on the assembly level, and you can see the fillet right here. So the features on the assembly level will be placed down in your feature manager tree. So let's apply another example. So let's select this cover. So right click on it and add sketch. Normal tool. Let's add a sketch of a center rectangle. Let's apply dimension. There's 1. We can add 1. Now let's exit that sketch. Come to the assembly feature. Extrude cut. We want 0.1 and click OK. And again, we've cut a 0.1 rectangle into the cover. And if we right click to open that cover on the part level, the cut does not exist, but it only exists in the assembly. And the cut is listed in your feature manager tree at the bottom. And that is how the assembly features work. Thank you, and I will see you in the next lecture. Bye.